Welcome to Fire Inspect Hub. Let's get you set up. To log in, use the username I sent you. It's your first and last name, all lowercase. Your password is the temporary one I provided. I recommend changing it right away using the Forgot Password link. If you ever get locked out, reach out and I'll take care of it. First screen. When you first sign in, most of your dashboard will be empty. That's expected. You'll fill it as you go. Let's start at the bottom, with your team. Team Setup. Click Team Members. For now, that's just you. Click Edit and confirm your information is correct. Be sure to add your credentials. These matter for your authority having jurisdiction, so the right certifications appear on your reports. Save when you're done. You can update this anytime. When you're ready to add coworkers, you'll add them here the same way. First client. Now let's create your first client. Click Add Client. Enter the business name. Add a contact phone number, with or without dashes, whichever you prefer. The email address is the field worth your attention. It's optional, but I recommend filling it in. It's what lets the system send inspection reminders and reports down the road, so it pays off later. If you already know your next follow-up date, you can set it now. Otherwise, just click Save. Add an asset. Next, let's add an asset, the equipment you'll inspect. Click Add Asset. For this example, we'll choose fire extinguisher. Give it a location so your team knows exactly where it is. We'll use 4th floor stairwell. Once you are complete with the required fields, go ahead and save it. Assign a job. Now we'll assign a job. Select the client. Assign the inspector. You can even assign yourself as the inspector. Set the scope. This step matters. Choose the NFPA service standard used for the inspection. Then click Dispatch. That brings us to the Operations view. You can see your work as a calendar or as a list, whichever you prefer. When you're ready, click Inspect. The inspection form starts grayed out. That's by design. You first select the equipment you're inspecting. Click to choose it, and the checklist opens. Work through the checklist. If everything passes, you're set. If something fails, a deficiency field appears right on that line, so you can record the problem as you find it. When you've finished, upload your photos and log the asset. That completes the inspection. Let's finish the job. From the dashboard, find your inspection in the Review Needed table of the dashboard. Select the inspection by clicking Open Review. In the review, you can save the report for your authority having jurisdiction if one is required. Your completed report is then ready for the client. And that's the full cycle. Set up your team, add a client, add an asset, dispatch a job, run the inspection and deliver the report. Congratulations! You're ready to go.